As far as Doge support floor, it in every practical sense is currently $0.056, which especially is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost examination explicitly is negative today in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin especially has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064 in an unobtrusive manner. Doge fall 3.72% in 7 days in a really significant manner. 08 July 2023. In this video, we will generally walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time, generally clarified some things, facts, what for the most part, is truly transient cost expectation for Dogecoin, sort of is Doge an essentially wise venture, which for the most part, is genuinely critical. Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on in a fundamentally enormous manner. In any case, prior to jumping especially profound into the Doge specialized examination, basically let us in a real sense discuss the very current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,177,112,561,953, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The fundamentally all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $20,577,638,440, which especially is very critical. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, truly in spite of prevalent thinking, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54%. Which generally is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value reduction of 0.65%, coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours in an especially significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $236.78 following a value change of 0.44% inside a similar time period, showing how Dogecoin support and opposition levels, and so on in every way that really matters, significant way. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP sort of is up by 0.66 and presently exchanging at 47 cents, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, extremely further appearance how Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. These occasions in every practical sense show that the market explicitly is going in a really descending course for genuinely momentary in an unpretentious manner. As of now, an extremely broad, for the most part regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Certainly further appearance how Dogecoin by and large has a medium-term opposition at $0.064 incredibly. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish pretty key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, which most certainly shows that these occasions basically demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in an essentially descending course for kind of present moment. Or so they really thought. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers by and large become in every way that really matters, all the more for the most part dynamic, and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling and especially further in a very significant manner. Similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which dealers by and large become move sort of dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher in every way that really matters. Further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $236.78 following a value change of 0.44% inside a similar time period, exhibiting how Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin. Doge, Dogecoin execution, the cost of Dogecoin. Doge truly is at $0.065, down 0.36% in the truly beyond 24 hours, and truly has a value change of 3.72% throughout the week, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in every practical sense is 145,990,327.00 United States dollars, while kind of absolute market cap came to $9,158,052,602 United States dollars, showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is 145,990,327.00 United States dollars, while kind of all out market cap came to $9,158,052,602 United States dollars, which in a real sense is very critical. They're in every way that really matters, are practically 140,088,916,384 explicitly are available for use out of 140,088,916,384, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin Value Examination Doge Cost Examination for 08 July 2023, inside a genuinely everyday time span, certainly made sense of underneath in an unobtrusive manner. We use in every practical sense relative strength index RSI, moving exceptionally normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving fundamentally normal, EMA, to sort of examine the future development of the Dogecoin, showing that help is a level at which purchasers basically become commonly more kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any truly further in a by and large enormous manner. While Doge's Williams %R pointer certainly is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange, especially Signal generally will be by and large conceivable at this reach in a genuinely significant manner. The MACD line by and large is remaining beneath of the truly Signal line after a hybrid, which for the most part shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, pretty further appearance how Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the kind of everyday graph, exhibiting that Dogecoin financial backers need to generally sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day diagram, or so they certainly thought. The in every practical sense relative strength file RSI shows that the Dogecoin especially is an oversold stage, as RSI in every practical sense is at 24, so 08 July 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and genuinely attempt to answer these oftentimes truly clarified some pressing issues. Facts.